Margaretology. While Princess Margaret and Lord Snowdon visit the USA, the Queen, at the bidding of Harold Wilson, asks them to make a side trip to Washington, D. to ask President Johnson for financial assistance for the United Kingdom. Gloriana. Bubbikins. Left without a home by a political coup in Athens, Philip's eccentric mother. Pride and joy. Elizabeth and Philip go on an exhausting world journey. Margaret takes over some of her sister's official duties and tries to liven things up. Wolferton Splash. Scientia Potentia Est. Act of God. Marionettes. Tywysog Cymru. Prince Charles is sent to Aberystwyth to learn Welsh from an ardent nationalist in preparation for the ceremony for his investiture as Prince of Wales. Beryl. When Elizabeth and Philip throw a grand party for their 10th anniversary, both Margaret and the new Prime Minister experience romantic tribulations. Assassins. As tensions with Philip increase, Elizabeth spends time with her old friend Portia. Churchill's portrait is painted for his 80th birthday. Dear Mrs. Kennedy. Inspired by Jackie Kennedy, and against her government's wishes, Elizabeth takes an unconventional approach to resolving an issue in Ghana. Aberfan. A horrible disaster in the Welsh town of Aberfan leaves scores of children dead, but when the Queen takes a week to decide to visit the town to offer solace to its people, she must confront her reasons for postponing the trip. Paterfamilias. Philip insists that Prince Charles attend his alma mater in Scotland and reminisces about the life-changing difficulties he experienced there. Hyde Park Corner. With King George too ill to travel, Elizabeth and Philip embark on a 4-continent Commonwealth tour. Party leaders attempt to undermine Churchill. Vergangenheit. A secret World War Roman II document opens Elizabeth's eyes to grim realities about a family member. The Duke of Windsor campaigns to re-enter public life.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.